Hello dear students, in this video we are going to do applications of derivative. In applications of derivative, that application to physics. Here exercise 2.1, question number 9 up to question number 8 we did in the previous video. Here the surface area of spherical balloon is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters square per second. At what rate volume of balloon is increasing when radius of balloon is 6 centimeter? So area of surface area of spherical balloon, that is given by surface area is given by 4 pi r square, and this surface area of spherical balloon is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters square per second. So dA by dt is equal to dA by dt is given, that is 2 centimeters square per second. So we differentiate it with respect to t. dA by dt, but it is function of r, so we use here chain rule of derivative. So dA by dr into dr by dt, that gives us dA by dr is 8 pi r into dr by dt, dr by dt into dr by dt. Now here dA by dt is given, that is 2 centimeters square per second. So therefore 8 pi r into dr by dt is equal to 2. Now this 2 is getting cancelled over here. It is 4. So therefore we have r into dr by dt is equal to r into dr by dt is equal to 1 upon 4 pi. So r into dr by dt is equals to 1 upon 4 pi. We are getting this 1 upon 4 pi r into dr by dt. Now at what rate volume of balloon is increasing when radius of balloon is 6 centimeter? So volume of balloon is given by this formula, that is 4 by 3, that is sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate it with respect to t. dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 into 3 pi r square dr by dt. Now this 3 is getting cancelled over here, so it is 4 pi r square, will write r into dr by dt. Now because r into dr by dt is known to us, which is 1 upon 4 pi. ये r into dr by dt आपको पता है 1 upon 4 pi as we derived here, and r radius is at, see we find this rate of change of volume when the radius of balloon is 6 centimeter. So when radius is equal to, when r is equal to 6 centimeter, so we find what? dV by dt. We find dV by dt. So therefore dV by dt is equal to 4 pi r. Here r is what? 6. So it is 6, and r into dr by dt is equal to, from here we are getting r into dr by dt is equal to 1 upon 4 pi. So into 1 upon 4 pi, so that this 4 pi is getting cancelled, and we are getting dV by dt is equal to, so dV by dt is equal to 6 cubic centimeter per second. 6 cubic centimeter per second. This is the rate of, at what rate volume of the balloon is increasing. So the volume of balloon is increasing at the rate of 6 cubic centimeter per second. Question number 10. If each side of equilateral triangle increases at the rate of √2 centimeter per second, find rate at which the area is increasing when side is what? 3 centimeter. So here area of equilateral triangle formula. See, area of equilateral triangle, that is A is equal to √3/4 into side square. Suppose we take side of the equilateral triangle as x, then this area will be, area is equal to √3/4 into side is x, so it is x square. Now each side of equilateral triangle is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. So we differentiate it with respect to t. So dA by dt is equal to, we use here chain rule of derivative, that is √3/4 is constant, derivative of x square. So derivative of x square is 2x into dx by dt. 2x into dx by dt. Now this 2 is getting cancelled over here, so that will be equals to √3/2 into x into dx by dt. What is given here? Each side of an equilateral triangle is increasing at the rate of √2 centimeter per second. So we took x as a side and it is increasing at the rate of √2 centimeter per second. So here it is given that, dx by dt, that is equal to √2 centimeter per second, and we have asked to find the rate of increase in the area. So dA by dt is to be find out when r is equal to, that is x is equal to 3 centimeter. So therefore it is dA by dt is equal to √3/2. Here x is equal to, x is equals to 3, so it is 3, and dx by dt is √2, so it is √2. Therefore it is 3 √6 upon 2. So rate of increase in the area when side 3 centimeter, it is given by dA by dt is equal to 3√6 upon 2 square centimeter per second. Question number 11. The volume of sphere increase at the rate of 20 cubic centimeter per second. Find rate at which the surface area will change when the radius is what? 5 centimeter. Here sphere, volume of sphere. So first of all write formula for this. What is given here? Here it is given rate of change of volume dV by dt is equal to 20 cubic centimeter per second, and we find change of its surface area, that is to find dA by dt, that is change of surface area when when radius is equal to 5 centimeter. When radius is equal to 5 centimeter. So here volume is 4 by 3. It is a sphere. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. We differentiate it with respect to t. dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi. Derivative of this is dr square into dr by dt. Now this 3 is getting cancelled over here. 3 is getting cancelled over here. So it is 4 pi r into dr by dt. Now this dv by dt is given. This dv by dt is given. It is 20. So we will write 20. Therefore we find only this r into dr by dt. So r into dr by dt is equal to, here r into dr by dt is equal to 20 upon 4 pi r. 20 upon 4 pi r. This is what r into dr by dt. So it is r into dr by dt. Then area, surface area is equal to what? 4 pi r square is the surface area. We differentiate it with respect to t. dA by dt is equal to dA by dr into dr by dt. That is, this will be 8 pi r. Derivative of r square is 2r, and this 4 pi into dr by dt. dr by dt. So here r into dr by dt is known to us. That is equal to what? R into dr by dt is 20 upon 4 pi r from equation 1. Therefore we substitute it. dA by dt, it is 8 pi. R into dr by dt is 20 upon 4 pi r. So that this 4 pi we cancel here. It will be 2. And this r we substitute here. What is given here? R is equal to 5. So here we have given r is equal to 5 centimeter. So therefore it is dA by dt is equal to 40 upon r. R is 5 and it will be 8. It is rate of change of the area, surface area, and it will be, unit will be what? Square centimeter per second. So our answer will be this dA by dt, that is rate of change of surface area. So rate of change of surface area will be 8 square centimeter per second. So 8 square centimeter per second. Rate of change of surface area. Question number 12. The age of cube is decreasing at the rate of 0.6 centimeter per second. Find rate at which the volume of cube is decreasing when the age is what? 2 centimeter. Here, let's suppose x be the age of cube, then its volume. So volume will be what? Then find the rate at which volume is decreasing. So suppose x be the age of cube, let x be age of cube, then its volume is what? X cube, and dv by dt will be equal to equal to 3x square into dx by dt. What is given here? The age of cube is decreasing at the rate of 0.6 centimeter. So here it is given that dx by dt. This means dx by dt is 0.6 centimeter per second. Therefore, and at x, that is age, is equal to what? h is equal to 2 centimeter. So when x is equal to 2 centimeter, we find dV by dt, that is the decrease in volume, rate of decrease in the volume is to be find out. So therefore we substitute here dV by dt is equal to 3 x is 2 square, dx by dt is given, that is 0.6. So 7.2 dV by dt, this product will be this, dV by dt is equal to 7.2 cubic centimeter per second. This will be the decrease in volume. So rate of decrease in the volume is what? The volume will decrease at the rate of 7.2 cubic centimeter per second. Question number 13. A man of height 2 meter walks with uniform speed of 6 km per hour away from the lab. Suppose in time t man is standing. अगर हमने जब देखा तब man is standing here and he is moving away from the lamp post. This is a lamp post. Height of the lamp post is what? 6 meter. और man का height है 2 meter. He is walking away from the lamp. This is what shadow of this man. And suppose in time t man is standing here or man is at this position, that is x meter away from the lamp post. हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? Find rate at which the length of shadow is what? Length of shadow is increasing. This is to be find out. So here you can see here we have these two triangles. This is a man and this is shadow of this. This is at distance x meter away from the lamp post. So two triangles are formed. One is smaller triangle and another is what? Bigger triangle. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल क्या है? सिमिलर ट्रायंगल है. सो इसका मतलब देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर इन प्रोपोर्शन. सो दिस साइड, दैट इज अ साइड ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABP, it is, and this side, that is x plus y, is the side of this bigger triangle. This side is what? 2 meter and this side is what? 6 meter. So as these two triangles are similar, smaller triangle and bigger triangle, they are similar. So corresponding sides are in proportion. So we can write here the relation x plus y. Here x plus y, that is for QP upon, see, QP upon this OQ is equal to AP upon AB. Now or QP is equal to x plus y and OQ is equal to 6. AP is y, AB is equal to what? 2. So that we are getting x plus y is equal to 3y. That means x is equal to 2y. Now we differentiate it with respect to t. Differentiating it with respect to t. इसको हमने differentiate करना है with respect to t. dx by dt is equal to 2 times of dy by dt. dy by dt. See here what is given? The man, see, he is walking away at the rate of 6 km per hour. So this is the rate, 6 km per hour. That is dx by dt is given. What is given here? Dx by dt is 6 and dy by dt is to be find out. dy by dt is to be find out. So dy by dt is what? The rate of change of, the rate at which the length of shadow is increasing. That is dy by dt. So dy by dt is to be find out here. So substitute here 6 is equal to 2 times dy by dt. This gives us dy by dt is equal to 3. This 2 is getting cancelled. 3 kilometer per hour. That will be the speed, or that will be the rate at which length of shadow is increasing. Question number 14. A man of height 1.5 meter walks toward lamp post 4.5 meter at rate 3 by 4 meter per second. A man is walking toward the lamp post. ये मैन लैम्प पोस्ट के नजदीक जा रहा है. What is the speed of this man? Man is walking at the rate of 3 by 4 meter per second. अभी हमको फाइंड क्या करना है? At rate, find the rate at which shadow of this is what? Shortening. ये man आगे बढ़ेगा तो this the length of shadow will shorten, and the tip of shadow, okay, is what? Moving. This rate we have to find. So two things we have to find here. Now clearly again a triangle is formed. ये है lamp post, ये है man. Here is the at some time t is the position of man at x meter away from the lamp post, and the length of its shadow is what? 4y meter. So clearly these two triangles, ये दो triangle similar triangle है. So corresponding sides are in proportion. That is QP. See this QP upon OQ. That is equal to AP upon AB. So here QP is equal to x plus y, and this is 4.5. 4.5 is equal to AP is y upon AB is equal to what? 1.5. This is getting cancelled, and we are getting here 3, and this 3 cross multiplication will give us x plus y is equal to 3y. That is x is equal to 2y. Now we differentiate both sides with respect to t. So here we differentiate both sides with respect to t. We will get dx by dt is equal to 2 times of dy by dt. Here, so what is the rate at which the man is walking toward the lamp post? That means dx by dt is given. What is given here? Dx by dt. He is walking toward the lamp post at the rate of 3 by 4 meter per second. 3 by 4 meter per second. So here we substitute and we will find what to find here? Dy by dt is to be find out the rate at which shadow is what? Shortening. So dx by dt is equal to 3 by 4 2 times dy by dt. Therefore dy by dt is equal to 3 by 8 meter per second. This is what its shadow is shortening. This is the first answer. Is shortening. Next answer is what? The tip of shadow. That is dx by dt plus dy by dt. The whole distance from this to this. Next is what? The tip of shadow. The tip of shadow. That is dx by dt plus dy by dt plus dy by dt. Or dx by dt is equal to 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4. And dy by dt is equal to 3 by 8. 3 by 8. So it is LCM is 8. So it will be 9 by 8 meter per second. This will be the answer, that the tip of shadow is moving at the rate of 9 by 8 meter per second. Question number 15. A ladder 10 meter long. This is a ladder which is 10 meter long. Leaning against vertical wall. It is leaning against vertical wall. Here the bottom is pulled away. bottom is pulled away at the rate of 1.2 meter per second, and what is asked, how fast this top will be sliding down when the bottom is what, 6 meter away from the wall. This is a vertical wall. Here is a ladder of 10 meter long. Suppose in time t, this is the position of ladder, that the bottom is x meter away from the vertical wall, and this height of the top of the ladder is at y meter on the vertical wall. So here the right angle triangle is formed. So therefore x square plus y square, we are getting x square plus y square is equal to 100. We are getting x square plus y square is equal to 100. Differentiating this with respect to t, it is 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt, and that is equal to 0. So that this 2 we can cancel. Here right hand side is 0, so 2 cancel करेंगे हम. What is asked to find, ये दिया है. This is what dx by dt is given. It is 1.2 meter per second. This is given, and this is to be find out. dy by dt is to be find out over here. So dy by dt will be what? Here dy by dt will be minus x upon y into dx by dt. Here dx by dt is given, that dx by dt is equal to 1.2 meter per second, and when here the bottom of ladder, it is 6 meter away from the wall. So when x is equal to 6 meter, what is y? From this equation you can get y. From equation 1 you can get y. So here y square is equal to 100 minus x square. So our x is 6, so y square will be equal to 100 minus 36, which is 64, and y will be equal to 8. Y will be equals to 8. So therefore we substitute dx by dt इस equation में हम, see in this equation we substitute dx by dt, x and y. So therefore dy by dt is equal to what? Minus this minus sign, because the top is what, sliding down. So therefore this negative sign. X is equal to what? 6 divided by y is 8 into the rate at which bottom is pulled away from the wall. It is 1.2 meter. So it is minus of 7.2 upon 8, which is 0.9. Here 0.9 minus sign meter per second dy by dt. So what we can write here? Therefore the top of ladder is sliding down at the rate of minus 0.9 meter per second. Question number 16. If water is poured into our inverted hollow cone whose semi-vertical angle is what? This is a semi-vertical angle is 30 degree. So depth is increasing. Depth of water, this water is rising at the rate of 1 centimeter per second. See, height of the water is rising at the rate of 1 centimeter per second. What is asked? Find rate at which volume of water is increasing when the depth is 2 centimeter. When the depth is what? 2 centimeter. So here, suppose this is the water level. In time t, this is the water level. Say this height is what? H. Say this height is h, and the radius is what? R. And the radius is r. So here a right angle triangle is formed. आपको r और h में रिलेशन क्या मिलेगा? This tan 30 degree. See this right angle triangle. This is the acute angle what? This acute angle what? 30 degree. ये r is the radius and h is the depth of water in time t. पानी भर रहे, हम पानी का लेवल ये है, so at that time radius is what r, so h r and this angle is what 30 degree. So in this right angle triangle tan of 30 degree, that is equal to opposite side r upon height h. But this is what tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3, which is r upon h, which is r upon h, r upon h. So हमको r मिल सकता है इसमें से. So therefore we have this relation. अभी find rate at which volume of water is increasing. So volume of water, that is V is equal to 1 by 3, that is here cone is formed. So cone का volume 1 upon 3 pi r square h, pi r square h. So this gives what r is equal to h upon root 3. H upon root 3 is the radius. So differentiate it with respect to t. Before that we substitute r. What is r? H upon root 3. So here it is capital R and this is what capital H. So 1 upon 3 pi r. R is what h. So it will be h upon root 3 whole square into h. This will be volume V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi h cube upon this 3. So V is equal to 1 upon 9 pi into h cube. Differentiating it with respect to t. So dv by dt is equal to 1 upon pi upon 9 3h square into dh by dt. dh by dt is given to us 1 centimeter per second. This 3 is getting cancelled over here. So dv by dt is equal to pi upon 3 into h square dh by dt. So what is asked to find here? Rate of volume, rate of change of volume when the depth is what 2 centimeter. So h is equal to what 2 centimeter and dh by dt is equal to 1 centimeter per second. Therefore we find dv by dt. So here dv by dt is equal to pi upon 3 2 square and this is 1. So this is what 4 by 3 pi. This is 4 by 3 pi cubic centimeter. It is cubic centimeter per second. So dear students, in this video we have completed remaining all 16 questions, that is from 9 to 16 questions. So in the next video we will do increasing and decreasing functions and maxima minima. So thank you for watching this video.